how to memorize periodic table easily using my personal trick of Bollywood pictures. I challenge you that you will not find this trick anywhere because it is my personal trick which I called Bollywood trick. Before teaching you the trick, remember that you have to forget about the English grammar. Secondly, if you want to learn the periodic table for lifetime, then watch this lecture 2 or 3 times a day for a week. Thirdly, we will learn about 8 main groups, and then at the last, we will learn about transition elements. Now consider Mr. Najam cycling fast. I say, hello, Najam knows running cycle fast. Here, H stands for hydrogen, Na stands for sodium, K stands for potassium, R stands for rubidium, C stands for cesium, F stands for francium. Thus, this is the first group of the periodic table. Secondly, consider Mr. Jackie Chan. We know that he is very brave man because he can smash anything. So I say, brave man can smash burning rock. Here, B stands for Be, beryllium, M stands for Mg, magnesium, C stands for Ca, calcium, S stands for Sr, strontium, B stands for Ba, barium, R stands for Ra, radium. Thus, this is the second group of the periodic table. Thirdly, consider Netflix. Let you watch a famous series where difficult questions are answered. So I say, best answer given in the Netflix. Here, B stands for boron, A stands for aluminium, G stands for gallium, I stands for indium, T stands for thallium, N stands for nihonium. Thus, this is the third group of the periodic table. Fourthly, consider Salman Khan. We know that he is very strong man. I say, can Salman go South Punjab fast? Here, C stands for carbon, S stands for Si, silicon, G stands for Ge, germanium, S stands for Sn, which is the symbol of tin, P stands for Pb, which is the symbol of lead, F stands for Fl, which is fluorvium. Thus, this is the fourth group of the periodic table. Fifthly, consider Amir Khan. We all know about the muscles of Amir Khan. I say, no problem, Amir Saab builds muscles. Here, N stands for nitrogen, P stands for phosphorus, A stands for As, which is the symbol of arsenic, S and B stands for Sb, which is the symbol of antimony, B stands for Bi, bismuth, M stands for Mc, moscovium. Thus, this is the fifth group of the periodic table. Sixthly, consider your serious teacher in the school. Remember his name and his face. Let he played live game with you. I say, our so serious teacher played live. Here, O stands for oxygen, S stands for sulfur, this Se stands for selenium, Te stands for tellurium, P stands for Po, polonium, L and V stands for Lv, livermorium. Thus, this is the sixth group of the periodic table. Seventhly, consider Farhan Akhtar. We know that Farhan can buy in America. F stands for fluorine, C stands for chlorine, B stands for bromine, I stands for iodine, A stands for astatine. Thus, this is the seventh group of the periodic table. Eighthly, consider Hina Khan, and we know that she is famous Bollywood actress. I say, Hina Nina are key X-ray officer. Here, He stands for He helium, Ne stands for Ne neon, Ar stands for argon, K stands for Kr krypton, X stands for Xe xenon, R stands for Rn radon, and O stands for Og ognesium. Thus, this is the eighth group of the periodic table. So, we have learned the main groups are 8 groups of the periodic table. Now, we will learn about transition elements. Remember that I write them in the column. Let's consider science team of your school. I say Science team visit cancelled. Friends cannot come zoo. Here SC stands for SC scandium, T stands for Ti titanium, V stands for V vanadium, C stands for Cr chromium, M stands for Mn manganese, F stands for Fe iron, C stands for Co cobalt, N stands for Ni nickel, C stands for Cu copper, Z stands for Zn zinc. So this is the first column of transition elements. Secondly, consider a famous actress Zara Noor. I sent her some flowers, but there is a problem. Why Zara Noor may throw red rose? Please ask clearly. Here, Y stands for yttrium, Zr stands for zirconium, N stands for Nb niobium, M stands for Mo molybdenum, T stands for Tc technetium, R stands for Ru ruthenium, R stands for Rh rhodium, P stands for Pd palladium, A stands for Ag, which is the symbol of silver, C stands for Cd cadmium. So this is the second column of the transition elements. Thirdly, consider a famous actress Lara. Let's she is making noise while watching a movie. I say, Lara, half-time will run, oscillating iron produces Ru high. Here, L stands for Lu lutetium, H and F stands for Hf hafnium, T stands for Ta tantalum, W stands for W, which is the symbol of tungsten, R stands for Re rhenium, OS stands for Os osmium, Ir stands for Ir iridium, P stands for Pt platinum, Au stand for Au, which is the symbol of the gold, H and G stands for Hg, which is the symbol of the mercury. Thus this is the third column of the transition elements. Fourthly, consider your old grandmother. Let she is very sick. She says that low result does show bad health. My doctor repeats CT scan. Here L stands for Lr lawrencium, R stands for Rf rutherfordium, D stands for Db dobnium, S stands for Sg ciborium, B stands for Bh borium, H stands for Hs haitium, M stands for Mt minorium, D stands for Ds dumstadium, R stands for Rg rhodium, C and N stands for Cn copernicium. Thus this is the fourth column of the transition elements. I hope that using this trick you can easily memorize the periodic table.